is not defined. Won't you kiss me? Won't you play? Won't you try me? Ain't no way I could deny you, I could strive. Won't you kiss me? Ain't no way. Won't you? Come and try me now, so come and try me now. I never think, I never know. I'm stuck and left alone.
I'm Abigail Palawar. I'm from Angeles. I grew up here in Angeles. I start this work is 12 years old. I have a lot of experience like bad guys, good guys, and until now. And I have 3 kids. Actually, I have 4 kids, but the one is lost. My husband is Black American, not Filipino. My Black American is from Atlanta, Georgia. He did not support me. He's like, go home. No message me like I'm go home na. Never. And I already married him, but I broke because this bad man is jealous. Then he bumped my head in floor. Then yeah, I started that he pregnant me. Then I allowed he go home. Then until now, I looking customer always every night. Nothing customer to take me because they said they don't like my look, they don't like my makeup. I don't have makeup, so I sleep every night. Then my family now is there in my rent. My rent is only 2.5, but no water, electric bill. I'm only a lot. My father didn't have work. My stepmother no work. Only taking care of my 3 kids. So only me to found money every night until now. Then even hurt my body. My head, but I continue to looking customer. I continue to found money to pay bill, to buy groceries from my kids, and now no food. My kids waiting me to go home. Then I'm not go home if I don't have money. So yeah, I start like that is 12 because 10 is I'm rape victim. 3 boys, and yeah, me is blessing for me because I'm alive until now. But my friend, when I was 10 years old, she dead. She rape victim, saying me that both me and she, but she's dead, but me not. So I'm very lucky because God is protect me at that time. but a lot of stress. Then I thinking that I'm dirty girl, I'm no one accept me because I'm late. Then yeah, I start 12 in working in the bar in street. I work in the bar before is there in Banban, Park of Angeles, but the manager is abuse me. They take all of like I buy like a phone, like a porta box, like that. Then yeah, I come back in walking street. Until now, I have encountered that my head is my only customer before is Filipino. Before I start in foreigner, because before I thinking foreigner is bad, Filipino is good. But the one day I experienced that they have Filipino pump my head, crack my side, my head. After that, I stopped to found customer Filipino. Then I thinking here in walking street is allowed only is working in the bar, working in a restaurant, like that. It's not allowed to work. It's not allowed me in same me there in walking street. But when I see all of they have same me to looking in walking street, I try to come. Then I start to looking foreigner, but not all of I start to looking customer foreigner. My encounter is bad at that time. They did not pay me. They abuse me. Then yeah, they give me everything bad memories, like pump my body and pump the glass my back. And at the first time I have a customer that push me, that fuck my ass, anything that bad to me. Then he did not pay me. Until now, I found that money. Then my kids now is I like to go in school, but I don't have money. My daughter is they have a sick, like epilepsy. Then yeah, hard for me because I'm only one to found money, because my father, my stepmother stay in the house. Then I have a lot of extra stress. Then I always until now I don't have it. I continue to looking to customer, but no one take me because they thinking I'm in Tagalog is addict. I don't have bisyo actually. I'm simple girl, and actually I don't like anymore this work. I found the man to marry me, to accept me no matter what, to take me away this work, because from the start 12 and until now I don't have encountered that man to accept me no matter what. So I have many experience to send me like I accept you, but lying. They expected me. I expected, but yeah, I really pray God to give me a partner to take away this work because I'm tired na. I'm very I think I have a sick because my back, my head, foot is very sick, and but I still strong because from my kids, and I still continue to looking customer even I'm tired, even I need a long sleep, but I continue to look customer because if I stop, then I sleep my rent, no, my family no food, then the owner of the rent is they like to pay money, then if I don't have money to pay, the owner of the rent is maybe the electric is broke, then yeah, and that at that time I'm still here. Last day I have encountered that Black American. They pump my head, my back, but they did not pay me. They push me, but because me, I'm different girl. Okay, same work, but I'm different girl because me, I follow what I want the customer. I honest, I don't like liar, I don't like give bad, even you give me bad, I never same. I always follow the customer what he like to like sex, like anything that he like to like, then yeah, I'm continue to follow, but he did not pay me, and his he did not pay me, then he go home, then until tomorrow she like to take me every night, but I stop, and because she did not pay me, then always my encounter is all of Black American, African, all of that, then all of bad encounter, no good, no pay me good, and sometimes the most they did not pay me, then yeah, I go home, sometimes I don't have money, my kids sleep, no eat, then I'm crying because I try to found the money, but sometimes I do this. I don't like always. I said my father, I don't like always. Every night I'm here in walking set because my body is coming down because a lot of pain, all of customer I feel until now. So, but my father, they said go because the owner of the house, they need to pay now. Then okay, I go in walking set. Then I found customer, but nothing until now. So yeah, and at that time you meet me that I sleep in hallway in Paradise, then I come in Mega Dance, but no one to take me because they said I'm addict, but I don't have issue. I always behave, and always if they have customers to come to me, they said like that. I go. They said all of my working freelancers say me, they said, don't be, you're not scared because you always to come to with Black American, African, and they yung long the house, but no, I said to all of save me working in walking street. I said no because I need money. So all of the customer, no one customer I ignore. All of I accept, even bad, even good, even I don't know if pay me or not. And yeah, I always come with customer, even her house is very so far, or here it's only I only come with customer. No one I ignore because I need money. Even sometimes I go with customer 200, 300 to buy food my kids, to pay the bill in the rent. Sometimes I go with 150 like that, 50 pesos to eat my kids always. And sometimes 1,000, sometimes 1,500, but the most I go is, but the most I counted, they pay me to 200, like 150. I don't have a choice because I like to feed my kids. Then because I'm no read, no write, so that's why my work I know is this work. But now I realize I stop. If I counted that a good man to take me and marry me no matter what. But now is I need money. I really need money because I pay a lot. Until now, I'm worried because my rent is, the owner of the rent is back and forth to go in my father to send over to your daughter. He pay now, he pay now. If not, is I broke that your electric. Then they send my father, you waiting. He found a customer like that. Then yeah, I very stressed, and I try to found because I need money. And my lost kids is my lost baby. Hindi ko siya nilibing in Tagalog. It's not going in the in Tagalog is hindi ko siya nilibing. I put that the cemetery. Then after at that time is in Tagalog is konsensya, because I never give my lost baby the good place or good the like in Tagalog is bolt, in the kabaong is in Tagalog is kabaong, because I don't have money. Then yeah, I said her father, Black American, your baby to me is lost, but he respond is happy. He respond is I don't anymore you. He respond that me I'm not loyal. They respond that anything bad to me, like I'm cheating, I'm like that, all of bad. So at that time I said, give me little bit money to give the lost your baby to me. I give that good kabao, but they said no, you lost my baby to you, so you to found the money to give like that. So at that time my husband, Black American, she didn't respond until now. So hard for me to work, and I like to stop this work, but no one to help me, because they said, baby, I'm liar, no one to give me like any gift, like help me, like give me like rent, like to buy food my kids, but no one. Now my father, I said, you looking job, because I'm not carried to all the time, is always like this, because my body is, they need rest, they need to lay down, because I always sleep in paradise, the outside of paradise. So it's cold, the floor, no any like this, no one. So the cold is going my back, because then I need to rest. But my father, they push me to looking customer. So even I don't like, even I need this, but I go, because from my kids, because if I'm not going, my kids no food, my daughter I not is not continue to medicine, because he's epileptic. Then my stepmother, they like to continue the business, like they selling juice, selling any juice, but I don't have money, so I always here in walking street, no day off, no rest. So always every night, from the start morning to afternoon and until night, then tomorrow. So that's why my bag is big, because all of a lot of clothes, because I go home if I don't have money. I go home if I have a money. So until now, I still in walking street. I try to best to looking customer. Then after that is I go home. So
I never think, I never know. I'm stuck and left alone. I've been lost, I've been fine. My cause is not defined.